Did you know there are YouTubers making thousands, even millions of dollars without ever showing their face? And no, it's not luck, it's strategy. I've analyzed hundreds of successful faceless YouTube channels and discovered 6 niches and multiple sub-niches quietly making people rich. But before we dive in, let me show you something that could change the way you see YouTube forever. This faceless channel, Stoic Journal, has over 180,000 subscribers, 1.79 million views, and earned an average of $8,000 in the last 3 months. On the other hand, Magnets Media, despite starting 6 years ago, has fewer videos but more views and earned over $40,000 in the same time frame. That's 5x more revenue. How is this possible? The answer lies in the niche and sub-niche they chose. The first channel is in the philosophy niche with RPMs between $5 to $15. The second belongs to the finance niche with RPMs between $10 to $25. This proves one thing: what you choose to talk about can either make you less money or way more money. That's why I've put together a list of 6 faceless YouTube niches with massive earning potential. But here's the thing, these niches didn't just make this list by chance. Each one had to meet 3 essential criteria. 1. High engagement, videos consistently get over 100,000 views. 2. Strong earning potential, niches with decent to high RPM. 3. Multiple monetization options beyond AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, digital products. For each niche, I'll share a sub-niche, show you channel examples and their earning potential, explain why it works, talk about their video format and what tools you can use to recreate such channels. Let's kick things off with one of the most captivating niches on YouTube: story videos with horror and scary story videos as a sub-niche. This niche taps into the love for suspense and storytelling, and when combined with eerie visuals, it becomes downright addictive. Take chilling scares, for example. This channel has perfected the art of blending spooky narratives with chilling visuals, keeping viewers hooked video after video. Chilling Scares pulls in over $100,000 per month with more than 16 million monthly views, and that's purely from ad revenue. With an RPM ranging between $2 to $8, this niche offers steady earning potential. Why does this work so well? People naturally crave stories that evoke strong emotions, and horror content taps into that curiosity. Plus, these videos are highly shareable, drawing in even more views. Creating content in this niche is simpler than you might think. With the right tools, you can craft videos that send chills down your audience's spine. Regarding video format, it has dark atmospheric visuals paired with spine-tingling voiceovers. Tools to recreate this type of video include 11 Labs AI voice generator for creating chilling narrations and eerie sound effects that bring your stories to life. Storyblocks, a massive library of royalty-free horror, visuals, and sound effects to set the perfect creepy atmosphere. CapCut, a beginner-friendly video editor to seamlessly piece together visuals, audio, and effects. If you don't want to work with multiple tools, InVideo AI version 3 might be a perfect fit. It is an all-in-one tool that can generate entire horror videos from a single prompt, streamlining your content creation process. Want to learn how to use InVideo AI effectively? Check out the full tutorial linked in the pinned comment. Let's move into a niche that's exploding right now: artificial intelligence. As AI continues to reshape industries, channels covering AI news are seeing massive growth. Take AI Revolution, for example. This channel has tapped into the global curiosity around AI, breaking down complex topics into engaging content. AI Revolution earns over $7,000 per month with more than 2.7 million monthly views, showcasing how profitable this niche can be. With an RPM ranging between $2.65 to $7.27, AI content offers solid monetization potential. For video format, it is clean minimalist visuals paired with informative voiceovers. Tools you can use to recreate this type of video include Canva for designing sleek visuals and thumbnails to make your videos stand out. 11 Labs AI voice generator for creating clear, professional narrations without needing to record your own voice. OBS Studio used for recording screen tutorials or software walkthroughs with ease. Current news sources. Use trending news images, videos, social media posts, and research papers to keep your content fresh and relevant. Adobe Premiere Pro for editing videos with precision and adding dynamic visual effects for a polished final product. Education is a timeless and highly rewarding niche on YouTube. Channels that break down complex topics into simple, engaging content can attract massive audiences. Take TED Ed, for example. This channel combines storytelling with educational content, making learning enjoyable and easy to understand. TED Ed earns over $75,000 per month with more than 28 million monthly views, proving the potential of educational content. With an RPM ranging between $4 to $12, this niche offers strong monetization opportunities. The video format consists of animated explanations and voiceover narrations that simplify complex topics. And as for the tools to use, Midjourney or Design AI for generating visually captivating images that make educational topics more engaging and easier to understand. Clean AI, Runway ML, or Holio by Minimax to animate static images into smooth, engaging visuals to bring concepts to life. 11 Labs AI voice generator used to produce clear and dynamic voiceovers to explain complex topics in an engaging way. Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut to seamlessly edit your videos, adding transitions and effects for a professional finish. Want a streamlined all-in-one solution? InVideo AI version 3 can help you create complete educational videos. Need help using it? Check out the full tutorial in the pinned comment. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Zinny. I create videos showing you how to use AI to build faceless YouTube channels and online businesses that generate passive income. If that sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video like this. I've also put together a free checklist and a graphics library to help you kickstart your faceless YouTube journey. You can grab these freebies through the link in the description or the pinned comment below. Oh, and if you're not keeping up with the community posts on this channel, you're missing out. I'm currently running an exciting giveaway that ends on January 25th. All the details on how to enter can be found in the community post. Go check it out. Business documentaries have become one of the most engaging niches on YouTube. Audiences are drawn to deep dives into how companies rise and fall, making this niche both educational and entertaining. Take Magnets Media, for example. This channel has mastered the art of storytelling, breaking down the journeys of major companies while keeping viewers hooked. Magnets Media earns around $29,000 per month with over 4 million monthly views, showcasing the profitability of this niche. With an RPM ranging between $10 to $25, this niche has some of the highest monetization potential on YouTube. This channel instantly reminds me of the Patriot Act on Netflix. The use of sleek presentation elements to cover complex topics like business and politics feels very similar.
80% of all charitable donations this year are expected to come not from the top 1%, but the top half of the 1%. This is the penthouse on top of the penthouse. These are the people who hire Elton John to babysit.
Except this time, there's no on-screen host like Hassan Minhaj and no live audience. I absolutely love that show, and if you haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend checking it out. You'll pick up some valuable insights on storytelling and presentation that could elevate your content. The video format is high-quality storytelling combining stock footage, engaging narration, and dynamic motion graphics. Video creation tools include Storyblocks used to access thousands of royalty-free stock footage clips to illustrate company stories. Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut for editing the videos with precision and adding transitions for smooth storytelling. 11 Labs AI voice generator for generating clear, professional voiceovers to narrate your documentaries. Motion graphics tools use tools like After Effects to add engaging animations and graphics. The next niche is edutainment. In case you are wondering what is that, it is one of the most engaging and accessible niches on YouTube, blending education and entertainment to captivate viewers of all ages. Animal videos in particular hold universal appeal, making them a powerful sub-niche within this space. Take James Toland, for example. His channel grew to over 300,000 subscribers with just 31 videos, earning between $7,000 to $19,000 per month with an RPM ranging between $8 to $20. Why does this niche work so well? People are naturally drawn to animals, and when combined with fun storytelling and engaging visuals, these videos become incredibly shareable. Plus, this niche offers great monetization potential through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. The best part, you don't need to be a wildlife expert or have access to exotic animals. With the right tools, you can easily create high-quality, entertaining animal content. Video format for this niche is story-driven videos using animations, real animal footage, and engaging voiceovers. Tools to bring your ideas to life: Midjourney or Design AI for generating visually captivating images to support storytelling. Clean AI, Runway ML, or Holio by Minimax, used to animate static images into smooth, engaging visuals. 11 Labs AI voice generator, used to create fun and engaging voiceovers to bring your stories to life. Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut will help you seamlessly edit videos and add eye-catching effects. Health and fitness content continues to dominate YouTube, offering creators a massive audience eager for tips on wellness, nutrition, and staying fit. But one area that stands out is sharing fun and fascinating health facts in engaging ways. Take Zach D Films, for example. His channel delivers quick, eye-catching videos filled with surprising health facts, earning him between $20,000 to $80,000 per month with over 2.6 billion views. With an RPM ranging between $6 to $18, this niche offers tremendous earning potential. The fascinating part is how others have tried to replicate his success. Within just a year, a channel called Simply How managed to achieve remarkable growth, publishing only 60 videos and gaining over 700,000 subscribers. The channel's creator, Daniel Beaton, shared the exact strategies he used to scale this quickly. You can check out his video later to see how he did it. Why does this niche work so well? People are naturally drawn to quick, digestible facts that can improve their well-being or spark curiosity. These videos are not only informative but also highly shareable, making them perfect for viral growth. The best part? You don't need to be a health expert to create this content. With the right tools, you can turn research into visually captivating videos that keep viewers coming back for more. The video format for this niche is fast-paced, 3D animated videos presenting health facts in a visually engaging and easy-to-understand format. Tools used to bring ideas to life are Blender and Cinema 4D for creating professional-grade 3D animations and dynamic visuals for health facts. Adobe After Effects, used to add engaging motion graphics and transitions to make videos visually stunning. Unreal Engine, produce hyper-realistic scenes and animations to explain complex health topics. It is important to note that this type of animation, which shows the anatomy of a human being in 3D, cannot be created by AI yet. So either you learn how to animate or pay someone who can. If you're interested in exploring more profitable faceless YouTube niches that I didn't cover in this video, I've put together an exclusive database packed with in-depth insights. Want access? Let me know in the comments and I'll share how you can get it. You've just discovered 6 powerful faceless YouTube niches that can help you start earning online. The next step: take action. If you're serious about growing your channel, I've created a free full course that shows you exactly how to start a successful faceless YouTube channel. Click here to watch the video and I'll see you there.